Right, myself and Geoff just going a bit of land here. Gonna see how it is. Geoff's using T2, T2 Classic, and I'm using my Etrac. I'm gonna, I think I'll use Roman, UK Roman this time. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my first signal looks like an old Victorian window catch with acorn knob on. About 6-7 inches down. Right, back to you in a bit.
Without the glasses.
Right, Geoff's got a coin here.
Is it side at style or style?
Oh, I know what it is. It's one of them Victorian, what do they call them? Black something or other, or is it? Right, I'll be back to you in a bit. Right, I've just remembered what it is. I'm more or less sure it's what they call a Cumberland jack. It's Victorian, but nice find, mate.
Nice one from your first keeper.
Lovely, lovely jubbly. Okay. Right next to it, stay and all.
I can't see it.
Oh, there.
I can't see it with my glasses.
Right, got an 843 on this. I don't know what it is. Oh, I do. I think it's a padlock. Ah, it's looking like a padlock. Yep. There you go. What's that? AA. Isn't it? I don't know. Oh, now. Anglo. One there for you, Stephen Gray. Anglo-Celtic. There, there. Right, AAL Co. There you go. Right, I'm happy with that. It's alright. It's an old bugger, that. Anglo. Right, get subscribed to Anglo-Celtic. Right, back to you in a bit. My mate, it's just shouted cartwheel.
Lovely well, I say lovely cartwheel, it's a cartwheel, but...
Oh, it's definitely a cartwheel, that, mate. Typical cartwheel.
Yeah, proper chill.
I might get a bit of something off this side.
Yeah, yeah, I can see the...
yeah,
the
see something right in, anyhow.
That might come up lovely, that.
Might come up alright, that, pal.
Wow, not bad. Lovely
nice
edges.
one.
Lovely.
Gold Geoff.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, they're good date at the bottom.
1797, isn't it?
I think it's there anyhow, 1797.
Man, you can't tell whether it's a cartwheel or a tool cart. Is it penny or a...
No, it's a penny, that.
Oh, yeah.
Tuppence is twice that thick.
Is it? I've never had one.
Oh, wow.
Well, I don't know. But...
I've never had one. But
that's lovely, that'll come up. I'll get a bit off of that side.
Ah, I will.
That's lovely.
That tuppence is twice thick than that. It weighs 2 ounce, tuppence. Nice one, mate. My next signal, not a cartwheel. It's a piece of lead. I just tip plug out and it was in the bottom oil like that. So, right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, it's an heart-shaped summit. It's got nailed on it, it's smooth as out. But it's an definite heart-shaped. So, no idea. It's too thin for a miners association check, so I don't know what it is. Very thin, but it's an heart shape. Right, back to you in a bit. Again, a 1641 off this. When I first saw it, I thought it was one of them little cannons. It's a nozzle off something. So that this end of the screwed in, and that's where it did squirted. So it's a nozzle off something. I thought it was one of them Georgian cannons then. Never mind, back to you in a bit. Right, getting a lovely 1242 in here. And there you go. It's a horse harness brass. It were in its day anyway. Right, I'm happy with that. Back to you in a bit. Right, I'm going to walk down that line of trees, but I've been down here before with wheeler detectors, but it's got a lovely signal here. 11:37 anyhow. Right, get back to you in a minute when I do. There you go, chuffing thing. I can. It always gives you a bleeding good signal. Right, back to you in a bit. Copper time. I think I must have just cottage on it. But there you go. Pre-decimal penny. My mates are here, look. Stood right near me. They're only what, 3 yards off me. They keep gathering round, they're nosy. Right. Be down here up back there. Not sure we're up front. Have a look. I think it's George, I'm not sure. Oh no, it's a Victoria. Right, so look, see if you can see it. Victoria penny anyway, Queen Victoria. That looks a lot better up front. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, out in this oil, I've got that and that. They're only, what, inch or two apart. So, nothing wrong with that. I know it's not old, but it's non-ferrous, and that's ferrous. So, can't grumble at that. That's Etrac. It's not as slow as what some people say. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, I thought it was part of a musket ball, but it's not heavy enough. It feels like aluminium. Very, very light. So, a blob of aluminium. Right, back to you in a bit. Well, it's pushing it down out here and Geoff's still at it. It's under the trees all day like, but I don't know how much shelter he's getting. But, I'm on. Yep, I'm sat on the swing here. Never grow up, blokes. Don't wanna. Right, I'm gonna get some detecting done now anyhow. Plenty of room under these trees, so should be alright. Right, I've got another Vicky. 18. I don't know, something. Ah, another one.
I've had one, 6pence.
You got a tenner? Good lad. 1849, I think. Right. That's alright. Back to you now.
And a button.
My mate. A few finds here, look, see they? Pewter spooling handle. Christ, I must be zoomed in. Ah, pewter spooling handle, the clock winder, this cartwheel, tarpaulin ring.
Little shell, little bullet shell thing that's squashed.
It looks like a bullet that's squashed there. What's that?
That's that one that you said.
Oh, that's Cumberland Jack.
Yeah, yeah.
Token, 1837.
That one I can't make out.
That's a halfpenny, possibly George III, second. tiny 4-oiler button. That's the littlest 4-oiler I've ever seen.
Get a lovely signal, that did.
And then a tanner. Silver sixpence. It's 1921, so it just makes it 50%.
But it'll do me.
That's nice, that. There you go, old George V. Nice one, mate.
And in there, there's a few signals that they want.
I've said we'd find coins over here, though. I guaranteed they ate, didn't I?
Yeah. I ain't find out that swing though.
No, I think Gary's hammered it round here. Right, but
Comes the rain.
it looks like this was in for rest today, don't I reckon?
Yeah, might have to.
I think we might be calling it today.
Yeah.
Right then, back to you in a bit. We'll have round up when we get back to the car. Damn sheet.
You probably got what you had.
Right then, my round up for today. That's all my rubbish. Loads on it. Tons and tons of rubbish. And that's a little like, I don't know, it's threaded that, so that's rubbish and all. And that is and all rubbish, but and I'm gonna love that looks like a window catch, early 1900s Victorian. That's Victorian. Oh, 1873 that. Another Victorian. Can't see date on that, but right. And then a brass, well, that it would have been lovely and shiny, that brass horse harness. And then a Anglo padlock, AAL core. So that's an old one, that. Anglo a go-go, Anglo Celtic. Right, so then we'll go over to Geoff's in a minute. Right, here's Geoff's stuff. Here's his rubbish. He's chucked some in edge bottom in more sense than me. I ought to bloody done that. I did though. It's got something on it, that, mate. It's got a crown or something on it, that.
Is it?
Yep. It's got a crown on it or something like that. And that's a pewter spoon anyhow, so that's got some age weight. Then he's got a clock winder. Tarpaulin ring, that should be rubbish, that, mate.
Yeah.
Tiniest 4-oiler button I've ever seen. A bullet, pellet, big pellet that though, wasn't it? Squashed.
Yeah.
We think this is George III or George II halfpenny. This is a Cumberland Jack token from 1837. A cartwheel penny from 1897, innit?
1797, isn't it?
1797, it's me, I'm going low. 1797, George III, obviously. And then George V, the year 1921. Silver sixpence, 50%. But that'll come up nice, that, mate. And there Geoff's finds. So anyhow, from Geoff.
Bye guys.
And from me, please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, see ya.